Hello! Today we're going to compare some of the Pirastro violin strings. Pirastro was set up in 1798 by Giorgio Pirazzi. In the 1890s, the two owners at the time combined their last names, forming Pirastro, which we still know and love today. What we've gone ahead and done is set up four of the same model violin, Manfred Schafer 801, with four different types of Pirastro strings. Let's have a listen to how they compare. So we're going to focus on some of the better end options from Pirastro. Of course, they make a vast range of strings with many different variations. We've selected Obligato, Evah Pirazzi Gold, Perpetual, and Evah Pirazzi. What I'm going to do is play the same thing on all four options so we can hopefully get some sense of comparison. Something in the lower register, something in the higher register, and then a scale that covers all four strings so we can hear how they sound. Here we go with the Evah Pirazzi. The lower end. The upper end. So there we have it, the Evah Pirazzi, a very bright and powerful string, and indeed one of our most popular. Next is Obligato. The lower end. The upper end. So from the Obligato, I'm getting a little more warmth and a fuller sound. Up next, we've got Evah Pirazzi Gold. The lower end. The upper end. So the Evah Pirazzi Gold is certainly a very brilliant string and perhaps somewhat more complex. Last, but certainly not least, we have the newest string from Pirastro, Perpetual. The bottom end. The upper end. So here, we're certainly hearing the largest range of both tonal and dynamic control. Again, very complex, just like the Evah Gold, but with a little bit more crispness. When I lay the bow on the string, I'm also getting an enhanced level of responsiveness. I can really control that sound. So there we have it, a brand spotlight on Pirastro. I hope that you've been able to hear a difference and it might help you choose which is the right set of strings for you. And just like they say, I'm so happy I can't stop playing.